given us bouncing baby boy. And that's what we've been praying for. See, this is our family. The family is in your hands. Bless the mother of the child.
See.
Bless every member of this family.
See.
My brother Bonnie. Ekene delege. Tukugaziege. Ngozi nke ọ asị ma ọ ga-adịlị gị mma ọ.
Ise. Dedem. You are a man of positive endurance. For over 20 years, you have waited for this moment. God has blessed our elder brother here, the Mezubunia, with a bouncing baby boy.
Which bouncing baby boy? Bonnie? Huh? Which bouncing baby boy?
Muzika.
So you believe this lie?
Sit down!
So you believe this lie?
What I said, sit down.
I will not sit down. Chief Ugonia, congratulations. Because when you go back to the city, tell Caro that even if she deceives every other person, I, Ngozeka, can never be fooled. Bouncing baby boy. Evil people. Your job. Planning evil here and there. Nonsense. Who is people?
The man you silent. Ngozeka has gone mad. Ngozeka, come back here. Ngozeka.
What rubbish? Hey! What nonsense? I will never allow this nonsense to happen in this family. Hey! I don't think she's smart. But I will tell her that I, Ngozeka, is smarter than her. Look at Chifugonia. Hey! He's such a fool. Who will allow this nonsense to happen in his family? No one. No problem. Nonsense.
He's healthy, handsome. He takes after your husband.
Is that true?
Oh my God. Sister, you have nothing to worry about anymore.
I just left everything in God's hands.
Everything will be fine.
I pray so.
Yes.
Pray so.
You said your husband traveled to the village.
Yes. He traveled to the village.
I'm so tired.
You have to go inside. Pull this your packaging. Freshen up.
Yes, sir! Oh my God!
Let's go inside.
If you
don't mind, let me take your bag. Which bouncing baby boy? Bonnie?
Huh?
Which bouncing baby boy?
Ngozeka.
So you believe this lie?
Sit down.
So you believe this lie?
What I said, sit down.
I will not sit down. Chief Ugonia, congratulations. Biko, when you go back to the city, tell Caro that even if she deceives every other person, I, Ngozeka, can never be fooled. Evil people. Your job. Planning evil here and there. Nonsense. Who are these people? Down.
Bonnie?
Did
Let me hear the good news from you. In less than no time.
Did
You know what we discussed last night?
Yes. I remember.
I'm waiting.
Dede, I am going to spread my tentacle this time around far and wide. I must find a woman of my choice.
Tewezuku.
And you won't get disappointed.
It's well, I see. Emengwangwa.
Edochie.
I want to just call me as soon as it happens. And I want it to happen, maybe not today. Let it happen tomorrow.
Dede, we hear from me sooner than later. Because when you get to sleep, I send my greetings to my beautiful wife and my little cousin, Dikeh.
Yes, I will.
Yes.
This money is for Ngozi's children's school fees.
Oh, that's very lovely. Thank you, Dede. God bless you. Safe journey.
Bonnie,
Dede.
I want to hear your call.
Dede, definitely you will hear it.
I will?
You will.
Adam.
Oh, Bonnie. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. You're dressed as if you're going out.
Yes. I'm going to the parish for a meeting. No.
Thank you.
Let me get you chair.
Don't worry, since you're going out. Let me just tell you why I'm here. How's your husband?
He went out. Okay. Yes. Her chief gone back to the city.
He has come back. He said I should give you this money for your children's school fees.
Bonnie, to be frank with you, I'm not happy with our elder brother.
Even with this money? Why? Let me tell you something. You see, in this life, there's nothing that is strange. This eyes has never seen anything and shed blood in this life. Our brother is coming back next weekend. I want you to come and apologize to him.
Bonnie, check here, Niano. Mwa bungozeka. Kakaru na amaka. Chifugonia of all people. Fiawa! I can't believe this.
Let us not go there. Don't forget that our brother, Dede Mezenia, is a good man. He doesn't look for anybody's trouble.
He's not a good man. Yes!
Why did you say that?
He's a coward. Yes! After all we told him, he still allowed Karu to influence him. Hey!
Ngozika, please. You are on your way out. I just come to deliver the message to you, and I've given it to you. I'm out of this place. Or should I wait for you?
I'm coming. Wait for me.
Go and keep that money in the house, or you want to go and spend it in the church?
I will not.
Don't go and use it for second or third collection.
Then he will give me another one. He's my elder brother. All his duty to take care of me. Let's go.
Madam, what's the problem?
Hey, madam, what's up, Gary? Keep me food that body the hot, madam.
My son's body.
Madam.
Hey, what could be wrong with him? Hey. Sorry, my son. Go inside. Bring the baby's bag. Okay. And the baby's food warmer. Let's go to the hospital immediately. Hey. You're here.
So, where's he came?
The doctor just took him to the children's emergency unit.
So what's exactly wrong with him?
She didn't really say much. She just told me that he came will be fine.
That's not That's not enough. I'll go see her.
Where's everybody?
Okay, you never here.
What?
Give me phone that they sick since Madam carry us go hospital.
Give me phone.
Yes, now, Oga.
How come they didn't go near did not tell me about it?
The small tune. I got save it came me from now.
Give me phone. Since 3 days.
Yes, Bonnie. Charity told me about the baby milk you bought for Ikemefuna, my son. I want to say thank you very much.
If you talk like this, you make me feel like a stranger. Anyone who does what he is supposed to do should not be thanked. Ikemefuna is my son. So whatever I buy is my responsibility fulfilled. So I don't need to be appreciated.
That's good. That's good. Charity! Charity! Yes, I know you are preparing food for your auntie, yes, but see, go inside there on top of the table, bring my car key. Remember to lock the door, then you meet us out here. They go now!
Everybody's fine. They are doing well. Because where is Ikemefuna, my son?
Not to worry. We'll soon bring him back.
I am worried already. Where is he?
The nurse took him for some tests.
Let me quickly rush to the office. I kept some German investors waiting for me.
It's okay.
So I'll have a meeting with them quickly, then I will return.
I'm going to sit down here and until I see my son Ikemefuna.
Bonnie?
Dede.
Sit here. You will see him. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, on later.
Hey.
Madam.
What did you do?
Let's ask Madam.
Charity.
Sir?
What does that mean?
Oga, forget.
You forget what?
Oga, no vex. I forget to put inside the bag. Oga, no vex. No vex now. Charity.
What kind of human being is this? The baby milk I bought with my hard-earned money for my son Ikemefuna is what she said she forgot at home.
Bonnie,
eh?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you too?
I'm okay.
I came back from the city yesterday. Ikem was discharged 5 days ago. Thank God he's well now.
How is my brother, Chief Ugonia?
That is good. He's fine. Ngo. I never knew that Karu is such a very nice woman. If you see the way she was pampering me, nurturing me, nourishing me the moment she came back from the hospital. Hey! Because one name, thank God for that woman. Thank God our brother married her. Because I've never seen such a generous woman all my life.
Bonnie?
Eh?
When you were going to the city, did you tell me?
No, I did not tell you because it was a kind of emergency. I had to run off.
So you stopped me here. Tell me about Carol and her generosity.
Is it not enough?
Bonnie, how many times have I warned you that I don't want to hear anything that has to do with Carol and her so-called son? Eh? Bonnie, wise up. It's you that fought you.
Don't insult me. Is there something wrong with you? If you insult me again, you won't like what will happen here now. Gingwa, yes.
You are the one insulting yourself. Eh? Boniface, can't you stay one place? Eh? Why is it that every small thing you want to see? Belittling yourself before Carol. Carol this, Carol that, Carol center, Carol middle, Carol up, Carol down.
You will soon stop coming to my father's house. You are married off. I am going to place embargo on you crossing my father's compound. Yeah.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, son. Down and ready?
Oh yes, set to leave for the office.
Good. You're going to resume duty as the general manager of the company, right?
Oh yes, Father. And to say that I'm overjoyed is an understatement. Thank you so much, Dad. Thank you for the unmerited promotion.
That's okay, son. Anything for you.
Thank you.
You know, one day you're going to be the MD of the entire conglomerate when I'm tired.
Like you said, one day. But not yet, Father. You're not tired. And that time will not come soon. You're still very strong.
You may say so, That's okay. Okay then. Off you go. Have a great day.
Beautiful.
It's more than 10 sounds. 10 sounds rolled into one. That's it. So proud of it.
Darling,
Yes.
I forgot to ask you about your discussion with your brother concerning the 200,000 he demanded for.
That?
Yeah.
I've given him the money.
Oh, you did?
I gave him the money a long time ago. I really wondered what he wanted that money for. But anyway, I've sent it.
Trust your brother, Bonnie. Maybe he has started making arrangements to get married.
Married? Who?
Your brother now, Bonnie.
Bonnie Kim or another Boniface?
Boniface, your brother.
Oh, come on. No. Anytime Bonnie kicks off arrangements for marriage, I will know. Bonnie cannot surprise me. I know him inside out.
Darling, can't you Kanagi? Obude go wine ato Bonnie one neck.
No, that's... Don't worry. Not to worry. I'm not despairing.
Okay, let's hope and watch.
Bonnie will get married. Yeah, that I know.
Face, Mama. Eh? You are here enjoying yourself alone. Eh? You don't even bother to call your man, at least to enjoy with you. Who there here? Madam, I bet let me have a cup of palm wine. And then add it with a plate of, yes, bush meat.
Akazue, what's your problem?
How?
Look at the way you are placing orders as if the money to pay can come from your pocket. Did you see me eating any meat here?
See, let me tell you, if you cannot pay for it, I will pay. Huh? See, let me tell you, you are very, very lucky. You have a brother who always fills your pocket whenever he comes home. Huh? How much is this? Now, forget those things. Forget it. The mother. That's why I like you. yeah, just not likeness, but love. I love you. You're welcome.
Only one man will fit to love me.
Like
two people no fit to love me, yeah? Who will pay for this order?
Why ask me again? Boniface is here. He's going to pay.
Boniface, did you hear him?
Ma, please, don't mind him. I'll give you money.
Wait, is it because of this glass of palm wine and this meat that you are finding your face behaving as if a woman who lost her pregnancy?
Akazue, I came here to have some privacy to myself. I wouldn't like you to bother me at all.
You know you are my friend. You know that. You can eat.
A visitor came to a toad house and is asking the toad to give him chair. Did you see the toad sitting on any chair?
Guys, I think we have stayed too long. He ought to have shown up by now.
Are you sure we are on the right route?
Guys, I'm very, very sure. This is the right road. Let's just wait for this guy. Let's wait for him.
Then, if so, let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. He comes.
Watch.
Phone is still switched off. My son doesn't normally come back late. What is happening?
What's the problem?
Honey, is he coming?
Yes.
Yeah? Look at the time. He's still not yet back.
Did you call Mary?
Yes, I did. I've called Mary. Mary said they met on his way coming back from the office. He ought to be home long time ago.
Yes. So what must have happened?
I don't know. Please try calling him with your phone.
Called him many times.
Severally, I have tried calling him. My own phone is saying switched off.
Let them go, sir.
See, Ikemefuna went to work and he's yet to return. We've not seen him.
What happened to him?
Yes, well, how am I to know? Right now, all I know is I am worried, Mother is worried. We are both worried. I can't begin to go to the police now.
Hey!
Let's go, let's go.
Hey! What happened to you came from the one them? What? Hey! How could they be so careless as well? Allow that.
Bonnie?
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Where are you off to?
I'm going to the chapel to pray.
Hey. Ngo.
Ogene.
There's a problem.
Eh?
Yes.
What is it?
So you've not heard?
Heard what?
Ikimifna is missing. They called me this morning to tell me that Ikimifna did not come back yesterday from work. Ngozika, why are you laughing? What is funny, Ngozika?
Boniface. Why wouldn't I laugh? Eh? Why wouldn't I laugh? Listen, he has not started missing. I wish he would never be found.
Eh?
Wham!
Ngozika, no, Nogi. Ngozika, why are you sounding like this? I said our brother's son is missing, and you said you wish he's never found. Ngozi.
Boniface.
Ngozi.
It's an old son.
Hey!
Otawa. Oh, your brother does not have a son.
Hey!
Your brother does not have a child. Inaka son.
Ngozika.
Bonnie?
If you were not of same mother with me, I would have said you are a witch. I am beginning to suspect you.
You're beginning to suspect me.
I'm beginning to suspect you. I mean,
there is nothing wrong with that. You are very free to suspect me, oh? Yes, now. It's your own opinion. Nonsense. Nyalo mahaka. Aka o Maria.
DPO, I'm hearing you. I'm more ears. Yes? Okay. All right. It's all right. Thank you. We'll talk again.
Honey, any news?
Well, no good news yet. Nothing concrete yet.
Darling, I'm worried. This is second day. These police people may disappoint us all.
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's not sound so despondent. The DPO just assured me that he has put in more men and that they are actually moving. Yes, in fact, they have actually made some remarkable inroads. So let's...
Who is calling? Who?
Unregistered number.
Answer it.
Yes, speaking. Yes. Okay. Okay, wait. I'm coming now. Yeah.
Honey, who was that?
We cut the phone.
What was he saying? Honey, talk to me now. Talk to me. What did they say?
Sit down first.
Honey, tell me now. What did they say? What did they say? Talk to me now, please.
Ngozika, I am worried. They called me not long ago and told me that the Ikemefina's whereabouts is still not known.
If for that issue, it does not concern me.
Nikki.
Wham.
Ngozika, why are you sounding this way? We are talking about the fact that your brother's son is missing, and now you could say it doesn't concern you. Don't tell me you have not called Dede to sympathize with him. Oh. Don't.
Bonnie.
Which other issue is more important than the issue on ground?
Which is?
The main issue.
Which is?
Give one aju. The issue of Chief getting married to a second wife. Bam! Now, Carol should stop deceiving everybody. He should stop deceiving Chief and making all of us feel like fools.
Ngozika, this matter has been swept under the carpet. Why are you calling it up again?
It's again?
Yes, you heard me.
Which matter? Swept under the carpet?
Hey.
By who?
The entire family. Yeah.
Not possible. Not when I am still alive. Carol Tori go see no na wanya. Mama Ngozika. Ya panye na abu. Put where they belong.
Ngozi.
My brother must marry a second wife.
Ngozika, you surprise me with your attitude. Why are you like this? Who did you take after? Kids, you see Christian model every day, Bible, they come, and what is the essence?
Bonnie.
Huh?
I, Ngozika, does not care what you feel about me. But let me tell you, as far as I'm concerned, if we're all wow, I cannot do the Chief, my brother, who are both of maybe. Chaka will maybe.
What's a couple of food in the moment? What's a good you be away to see? I don't know what you put
Wait. Is Madam and Oga inside?
No, Oga went out, but Madam is inside.
Madam is inside?
Yes.
Do you know if they found Ikemefina's whereabouts?
No, I don't know. But since that time, Madam and Oga has been running around about it.
My goodness. Okay, let me go inside.
Okay.
Yes. Where? Okay. I'm on my way. Yes, darling. Please quickly go to St. Luke's Hospital right away. Our son has been freed. I'll join you there. Yes, right away.
Uncle, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Ikem, is this you?
Yes, it's me.
I thought my brother said you were missing.
A lot happened, but I'm fine. I'm back.
Yes, you.
My love, meet my uncle.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, uncle. My fiancée.
Your fiancée?
My fiancée, the girl I want to marry.
Yes.
What is this?
It's a long story, but I'm fine.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Where's my brother? So, where are you off to?
Just take care of something. We'll soon be back.
We'll soon be back. Yes. All right. Welcome, sir.
Welcome. They did not mention it to me that the king was back. Thank God.
Yeah.
Did you say that man in there is your uncle?
Yes, my father's younger brother.
There's something about him I do not like.
Okay. What about him?
I can't place my hands on it, but the way he looked at you was not... Somehow, I'm not comfortable with it.
There's nothing wrong with him. There's nothing wrong with the way he looked at me. It's my uncle. He's a very funny person. Yes, he jokes about everything. Jokes about his own life. That's a start. You won't believe he's not married yet. And he's been joking about it.
You are kidding me.
I'm not kidding.
What is he waiting for?
I don't know. He says he's not found his heart desire yet.
Really?
Maybe he's waiting for you.
You stop that. How can he be waiting for me?
One name. That was how he was kidnapped. That day. On the day he was returning from work.
Kidnapped? Eh? What is him? Kidnapped? How? Why would you kidnap him?
One name.
My dear, they were hired to do so. In fact, their mission was to kill him. But my God said I will never be put to shame.
Hey! One name. God has the final say.
Yes, sir.
Dede, please. I want to ask. What really happened? How did he escape?
And I'm quite not quite. Our God is alive.
Yes, sir.
Nchakali me nwanne gị vanaruchago mo lalaro. Hey! God said no. A day after the kidnap, the kingpin called his boys and told them to bring him to where he was going to be killed. Hey! Our God was wide awake. As they were coming, they ran out of luck. Because they met face to face with an army patrol. Army armed to the teeth. My son saw the soldiers and gave an alarm.
Ijoku, he did?
It's not something human. It was only God at work. Even he himself confirmed it. That he didn't know how he got the guts. But he did. He raised alarm. The soldiers heard him. They chased and went after the kidnappers. Egbe. Name Egbe. Nane. Bababa. Exchange of fire. The kidnappers escaped. They ran away.
They killed one.
Leaving my son. Yes.
They killed one of them.
Leaving my son half dead.
This is a miracle.
It is.
Unbelievable. Dede, Mrs. This calls for an elaborate Thanksgiving.
With Efi Malam.
Elaborate what?
With Efi Malam.
Hey, One name we've been talking about this. Let me go and get you. Who is there to get you something?
They have something in the gate. Forget about everything for now. See, he came need to be very careful. He came need to be very careful because we don't know who the enemies are. We don't even know where they are.
But my God will expose them.
Yes.
Whoever this enemy is.
He will expose them, but he has to be very careful. Because any man who is surrounded by enemies constantly watches over his life. They couldn't move from so well. See, in fact, I am going to take it upon myself to sit him down and talk to him myself. He needs to be safety conscious.
Hello. Timo, so it is true.
What is true?
Bonnie?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Bonnie?
Okay, what's the name?
So it is true. Nada Ezoku.
Gini Ezoku.
Hey! Bonnie!
What's the name?
Bonnie one name.
Okay.
What are you doing with this old fat elephant? Old cargo! Hey! Don't insult me. You call me a fat elephant. What are you? Old cargo.
I am Mama Wine.
Beauty personified in a woman.
Hey, Julia! Her name is Mojo. Leave my brother alone! Bonnie.
Okay.
Unebe.
He's going nowhere.
He's going nowhere. He's going nowhere. Hey! Hey! Why did I have to go to challenge me? To challenge Mwabungosi? Let me see Bonnie in her drinking joint again. Come here, come here. I'm teaching you a lesson. Come where you look at the movie. Mwabungosi.
Hey. Garden. It's a kid of fighter.
You mean Ikemefuna is getting married?
Oh, Meleme. We are home. We are home. And for no other than to see and meet the chairman of the council. In order to pick a date. That is our tradition. That is our tradition.
That's the normal procedure. This is good news. I am so happy to hear this.
Hey. Ngozi Adanaya.
Chief, when did you come back?
You've seen us now. You see my cap, I'm not even gone.
No. Welcome.
How is the family?
We are fine.
One name, mother. Yeah.
This is him.
Bonnie Dim.
This is Mama.
Dim.
Carol?
Yes, honey.
You have not seen Ngozi.
Your sister that I greeted, she ignored my greetings. Please help me ask her, where have I gone wrong?
Lucy, is that true?
That is not why I'm here. Who is she? What is it?
You heard her. You heard her. Akwemile.
Ngozi.
Chief.
Ngozika, don't give me reason to slap you. I will put aside the fact that you are married. I will beat you up. What's the problem?
Bonnie, you are going too far. Chief, no. Welcome.
I'm going too far.
Hey, Ngozi, you insulted my wife before me. Eh?
Mbano. It's not true. I did not insult your wife. Your wife should learn how to greet with respect.
Ngozika!
I'm also her husband.
Ngozika!
Boniface!
Ngozika!
Boniface!
Dede.
Yeah, don't mention, don't call my name again.
Ngozika, if you point that left finger at me again, I'll beat you blue black. I'll put away the fact that you are married. I'll beat you blue black. Hey! Is something wrong with you?
Boniface, wow. You beat who? Chief of Quidania! Ngozika! Boniface, you beat me. What the man? Hey!
Dede. Did you see her? Did you hear that?
Bonnie.
Dede.
Sit down. Bonnie.
Dede.
Bonnie, let Ngozi be.
What kind of a thing is this? Eh?
Let her be. And I'm not even Nagwari.
I heard you did it.
Tell him I'm mad.
It's alright.
Tamale. Okay, when I tamanya then you can come with it, money. I'm mad.
Thank you, Dede. You know what she came here to spoil our mood, this joyous mood we are in. Why do that kind of bed here? Stay in your husband's house and let's have peace in my father's house. Because you cannot do that for us.
Enough is enough. Enough is enough, Ngozika. Ngozika, are you my God? Who told you I have not been getting pregnant in this house? Eh? How am I even sure you're not the one eating up all my babies? Eh? Ngozika, leave my husband and I alone. We are waiting on God's time.
How dare you mention the name of God in vain? Let me ask you, pregnancy, does it hide? It does not hide. You are what? Your womb is empty. You think you have succeeded, but you have not.
Ngozika.
You have not, I said.
Ngozika, I will not have you insult me in my own house. Hey, Ngozika, if you do that again, I will throw you out of my house.
Chineke, is it me that will throw you out or you will throw me out? In my own brother's house.
This is my husband's house.
Yes,
it's my husband's house. That makes it my house. Yes.
The husband. Let me tell you, your charm has failed you. This is the end of the road for you. Enjoy it while it lasts, because very soon you will be disgraced out of my brother's house. Water. Just tell me, how will you make babies? When there is no single fruit inside of you. I am coming back for you. Read my lips. I am coming back for you.
It is really clear that Ngozi is still angry with me because my husband refused to succumb to her persuasion for him to marry another wife. Her ill treatment to me is getting worse by the day.
Why don't you wave all this aside? Be yourself, okay? The way you're going. If Ikemefuna comes in and catches you in this mood, he will start asking questions, okay?
Darling, it's because of you I'm keeping quiet. I have had enough from your sister Ngozi. It has gotten me here.
It's okay. It's okay. She is gone and that's it. She's not here. Okay?
But what have I done to Ngozi? What have I done to her?
Okay. See, Boniface is waiting for us at living room. We're supposed to be discussing with him. Come on. Let's go.
It's because of you. It's because of you. Warn your sister Ngozi to leave me alone.
Getting go.
I have good news for you.
Eso.
Subegede.
Agwarange. Nito baba ko nilo. Hapo mna ndemu. Dede. I have found her.
The woman?
Yes.
Your girl?
Munyem.
The one you will marry?
The one I will marry. Dede.
What kind of woman? Where is she from? What does she look like? Does she like you?
Oh. She's not beautiful, though. She is just pretty.
Pretty?
She is what this present generation call figure 8. If you size up the shock absorber.
Oh, give me Bonnie. Bonnie. This praise is too much for one person.
But I lack words to express everything about her. Not in this one. When are
you bringing her to me?
Ha, Dede, Anebumbe, Adobora. No to go happen. I am bringing her today. Today, in fact, I'm bringing her today.
You're bringing the lady we've been, or the girl we've been waiting for. And you're informing me that she's coming in today.
You don't need to be taken unaware. And that's what I'm saying. You gave this to me as a task. And I have been able to accomplish that task. You cannot be taken unaware.
I can't wait to see this girl that has captured my brother's fancy, my brother's admiration, that has finally arrested my brother. Hey! Chineka, he's a well.
Chika, what is it?
Mommy, I don't like the way you treated Kemefuna this morning. He might tell his father and that will make him to stop paying my school fees.
Chika, As you can see, I am very busy. If you don't have anything reasonable to say, just leave here now.
Mommy, I know why I'm saying this so. Because if Uncle starts paying my school fees, I won't be happy.
Look, you just son, idiot. You are put son. Idiot.
No, Mom, seriously, I don't understand. Why would she treat me that way? Why? Why would she insult me? And she did the same thing the last time we came here. Why?
It's okay, my son. Please.
Huh?
Ngozi is like that at times. I think she might just be in a bad mood.
No, this is not a matter of being in a bad mood. No. The whole thing looked pre-planned and she said a lot of things. Ask Chika. Chika was shocked.
Ozugo, nah. Ozugo. Calm down. You know, go? Please.
Biko, this is not a matter of telling me to calm down. I won't calm down, no. Look at me very well. I look very far from calming down. Very far. I will not take further embarrassment from anybody. I'm just going to tell father about this and I'll leave here and go back to Onitsha. Can't take this from me now.
Please. Please, Ikem, please. Don't allow your dad to hear about this. Biko, Mom. Please, I beg you.
Why? Why would she talk to me like I'm nobody? What for what?
Ngozi is just looking for my trouble. Ngozika. Okay.
Mama, my beauty. Look at my face. We cannot continue like this. So
continue like this? How, Bonnie? Just imagine, the other day I came to your house. Your brother and his so-called wife. They were just looking at me as if they have never seen a beautiful girl like me in the town before. Just imagine. It's like you're not serious. Even your brother's own is the worst. It's the worst. If you are not man enough, you tell me that you are not man enough. Let me just go my way.
Mom, why are you talking like this now? Don't talk like this. I am the one marrying you, not my brother. So whatever you hear them say should not bother you at all. They are only being jealous of your beauty, especially his wife. He is exceptionally jealous of you. You know, in this part of the world, you are the most beautiful girl. Of course, who will even see all these gallops, all these contours, and not get jealous?
You better be fast. Whatever thing you are doing, do it fast. The way you promised. You know how you promised me. You know how you normally hold me on bed. I've missed it a lot.
That should not bother you, ma. Let me tell you something. I have a plan.
Yes.
I'm actually looking forward to this whole marriage thing. You know, beginning to picture it. Kimefuna holding.
Are you okay? Are you okay, Mom?
Yes. Then I came from holding the wife with gripping her with the left.
No, what is it? Are you okay? What's the problem? Honey?
Stomach.
Your stomach?
Aye!
Is it that serious?
Oh!
Honey? Honey, is it that serious? Can you sit up? Please sit up. Sit up a bit, sit up a bit. Sorry. Sorry. Let me give you a strap here. Sorry. Is he biting you? Wait. Honey. Hey.
Bonnie, where is my brother? Where is my brother? Oh, God, Daddy, Carol, so you have succeeded. So you have succeeded in killing my brother.
Excuse me?
Don't take over his wealth, Carol.
What did you just say? Huh?
Carol, it will never be well with you.
Let me just act as if I didn't hear you. Pick up, wow. Don't start, please.
No! It will not be well with you, Carol. It will never be well with you.
Ngozi, what is the matter with you? How could you? How can you accuse my sister of killing her own husband? How can you? How could you? This is very wrong of you.
Your sister is a murderer. Carol, it's just only a bubble one them. It's just only a bubble one them.
It's enough, oh. I was acting as if I didn't hear the first one. I've had enough. You can't be accusing my mother of... You know what mother is? Huh? To kill somebody. That's what you're accusing my mother of. Ozugo. Enough.
If you talk to me, I will personally...
I am talking. And I'll keep talking back at you. What will you do? Stop accusing my mother. I'll get it. Say anything you like, that's fine. But mother, no. Don't accuse my mother of killing somebody. You know what that means?
Come on, Bugo. No.
Hey!
Stop, please. So.
Hey!
Bugo, stop,
It's okay now. Stop crying.
Carol, you will stop her!
Ngozi! Enough!
Move her! You will stop her!
My son, how could anybody think that I could kill my own husband? Eh? Ngozi will not go scot-free for this.
Mom, it's okay now. Be cool. Huh? It's okay. You've cried enough. You've been crying since morning. I don't want you to break down and get ill or speak up. Oh, this thing has happened. And I believe you. I believe you did not kill my father. I believe you. And that's all that matters. Don't worry. I'm ready for her. Anybody who wants war, I will give that person war. Don't bother yourself. Pico, you've cried enough. That's happened.
Who will near my husband? Help! Oh God! God, you know what's the cause of my husband's death? And it's only you that will vindicate me.
It's okay.
It's okay. My son, 18 good times I was pregnant for my husband. And 18 times I had miscarriages. None of those pregnancies lasted more than 3 months. At the time I couldn't conceive anymore. I became barren for no reason. Ngozika was on my husband's neck to marry another wife that would bear him children. And my husband came up with this plan to adopt a male child. And that was how you came about my son.
I can't believe this. I can't believe this. So it's true. I can't believe this. So it's true. So it's true. I'm a stranger here.
My son, you're not a stranger. You are my son. I adopted you. That makes you my son.
Hey, oh, this is unfair. This is unfair. This is unfair. This is unfair. Why didn't you tell me this all these years? This is unfair. Now I look like a fool.
I am sorry, my son. I am sorry, please. Forgive me, please. Forgive me. Please. Listen to your mother. She cannot deceive you. Whatever anybody thinks or sees, she still remains your mother. Please.
Hi, God, why me? Why?
God, why me?
No wonder. Ngozi will look at me and tell me these things. No wonder I'm a stranger here.
You're not a stranger, Miko. Why would I know Miko?
I'm a stranger, Mom. I don't have the blood of this family running in my veins. Everybody knows I'm a stranger. What are you people saying?
Why are you hurting your mother's feelings? This woman you see here, she took you as her own son when you were 3 months old. And now you are here saying things that will hurt her. Is that how you're going to pay her back for raising you up? Is that how you're going to pay her back, sister?
I don't believe this.
Ugonia, my husband, where are you? Come on, my strength. Come on, be my strength. Come on, be my strength. I feel
like throwing up.
Are you sure you don't want to be in the car? What is happening now? Talk to me. Okay. We can go into the car now. Baby. Ah! Jesus! Jesus! Baby, hold on. Help! 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 Help me! Please stop! 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 Please! Oh! Please, fiancé! Please, stop! Please, I don't know! Please! Please, stop! Where are you going to? Baby, please come in. Baby, sorry. Please, stop! Hurry up! Please!
Father, in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Father, I command whatever this thing is to leave this body now. In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
I want us to take him to the hospital.